To blanch vegetables, first add about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, of water to a pot and fill a bowl with ice water. To blanch your vegetables without a steamer basket, bring the water to a rolling boil and add your vegetables to the pot. Let the vegetables cook in the pot uncovered for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size and type. When the time is up, remove your vegetables from the pot and immerse them in the bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. To blanch vegetables with a steamer basket, add 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, of water to the pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Place the steamer basket inside and add your vegetables. Cover the pot and let the vegetables cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Again, depending on the size and type. When the time is up, submerge your vegetables in the bowl of ice water. Serve or store your blanched vegetables in the freezer for later.